Here's a DIY hack I found. Sometimes when you're draining your transmission fluid or your rear axle fluid or transfer case fluid, everybody looks on the internet or you look for YouTube videos. How much oil is in there? How much oil is in there? And well, you kind of have an idea. When you drain it out and you've got it in your oil pan or your catch pan, all you got to do is measure it. Now, I found that buying something may cost $14, $16, $25. Here's a solution that's cheap as heck. You can use a windshield wiper fluid bottle. These are all 1 gallon, as you can see. That's not it. Right there, 128 ounces, 1 gallon. So how do you do it? Well, here you go. You take that, and there's 2 ways to do this. When I was doing an oil change in my car, I know this says transmission fluid, but still though, this is 1 quart. So you take 1 quart and you dump it in there. I marked where 1 quart was. Took a guess where half a quart was. 2nd quart, 3rd quart, 4th quart. I put new oil on this one because sometimes I get confused. What I did here is I just weighed it out. When 1 quart of oil of this weighs that. So if you think about it, if you've got your catch pan and you drain out your rear axle, all you got to do is get a funnel after, put the funnel in there, and you can measure and exactly how much put in without doing a Google search or asking somebody on a forum or trying to find a YouTube video. Just remember, when you like and subscribe, I return the favor.